Hello everyone, welcome to the next session on Exbook questions, which is on Kaggle and you're learning with Dave K. Learner. We're talking about sample number 9, which happens to be question number 8. And in this, we discussed yesterday that we are talking about, we have been given two lists and we have to find out which of the numbers which exist in both of them and they are not at the exact index, as in they are not at 1, 2, and 3 position. So for that, I've created a function called fetch wrong position, and I've created a counter which is wrong POS count. Then we are checking the length. If the length of both the lists which we have provided are equal, we are going to run the loop for the length of the first list and then the length for the second list. And then we are checking if list 1i and list 2j are same, if any of the two values are same. If the values are same and the positions are not, I and j are not equal, so that means the position is not same, then we are going to add this number. And once this we are adding the 1 to the counter, so that way it will be keep on counting the values of the list which are not the same. And at the end we will write down wrong position count, so which can be 0 if none of them matches, or any number which matches the value but not the position. And this is where we are checking the 8, or the equation 8 that we were talking, the equation at index number 8, and that's how it executes. So we have passed all the 5 tests, and these are the variables which have passed. So 1, 2, 3, 5, 2, 1, 3, 5. So 2 and 1 have swapped the position, and they are the same, and they are present in both the lists at different positions. So that's the reason 2. Similarly here, if you see 1, 2, 3 are in both of them, but if we see 3 is in the same position, so 1, 2 has changed and placed, in fact, sorry. Yeah, so 3 are at the same position, but 1, 2 have changed the position. That's the reason it's giving 2 there. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 are in the same position, the next 2, and that's the reason it is giving 0. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. So 1 and 1 are at the same position. That's the reason it is giving 0. And this is 1, 2, 3, 5. So we have swapped all the positions, and that is the reason it is taking 4. And it is saying that you have passed 5 of the 5 tests. So that is what we were talking about, this question, in which we compared the two lists and the items which were present in both the list, and if they were not at the same position, we gave the count of it. Tomorrow we'll be working on another question which says you have a list of unique numbers, and you need to write a function to return the position or the index of the smallest number. So you need to find out which is the smallest number, the index value of that. So if we see, for example, they have given 315026. So if we take that, then 0 is at index number 3, because Python starts with index 0. So 0th index is for the first item, which is 3. First index is for 1, and second index is for 5 here. So this is the third index. That's the reason it is returning 3. This is 0 because this is 0 index. This is 5 because 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 is here. This is 2 because 0, 1, 2. So tomorrow we'll see this example in which we'll be working on it. So once again, I thank you for joining with me, Dave K. Learner, and I hope that we have moved a bit forward in our learning. So once again, thank you, and good day. Bye-bye.